Hi guys, this is Vasvi from Signum Design Careers. Thanks to the socio-cultural change in the recent years, India में designer lingerie या swimwear का market rapidly increase हो रहा है. The category was valued at $3 billion in 2017 and is expected to reach $6.5 billion by 2023. और इसलिए आज हम बात कर रहे हैं कैसे आप लॉन्जरी डिजाइनर बन सकते हैं। आप कौन से कोर्सेज कर सकते हैं, इंडिया में पढ़ना चाहिए या अब्रॉड, इंटर्नशिप्स कितनी इंपॉर्टेंट है और आपको कौन कौन सी स्किल रिक्वायर्ड हैं इस करियर में सक्सेसफुल होने के लिए, ऐसे कई क्वेश्चंस हम इस वीडियो में आंसर करेंगे। जानते हैं हु इज अ लॉन्जरी डिजाइनर। Lingerie designers create intimate wear for men and women. Their designs can lead towards either personal indulgence, which means they could be beautiful nightwears or beautiful beachwears, or they could be utility-based garments like professional swimwears, etc. Lingerie designers also have the skill to design workout gear, socks, and even some shoes. What skills do you need? लॉन्जरी डिजाइनर्स और फैशन डिजाइनर की स्किल ट्रेनिंग और एजुकेशन काफ़ी सिमिलर होती है विद अ फ्यू एक्सेप्शंस. दे स्केच डिजाइन आइडियाज बाय हैंड और बाय यूजिंग कंप्यूटर एडेड डिजाइन CAD. They should know how to sew, mix colors, research trends from lingerie shows, fashion shows, trade shows. They need to select fabrics and design entire lines. An expert skill required to become a lingerie designer is good knowledge of pattern making and garment contouring. Another important aspect of lingerie designing is the technical knowledge of fabrics that you could work with. Basically, अगर आप फैशन डिजाइन के स्टूडेंट भी हैं तो you can easily pursue this career after a short course or an internship in lingerie making. Lingerie designers work for design firms, apparel manufacturing companies and boutiques. या फिर आप अपनी भी लाइन डाल सकते हैं which you can sell in shops or online. How will you become a lingerie designer? Since lingerie design is an expert area of the fashion design industry only, the best way to become a lingerie designer is with a degree in fashion design plus solid experience in the industry. Some lingerie designers may also have a degree in knitwear, fashion merchandising, or fashion retailing. So a standard bachelor in design from India or abroad should be a good start. Some of the top design institutes like NIFT offer special electives like lingerie design to their fourth-year students. However, if you are a designer with no experience in lingerie making, there are various masters and diplomas abroad and also online courses which can help you get internships and jobs. अगर आप इन कोर्स की डिटेल्स जानना चाहते हैं या आपने डिज़ाइन में ग्रेजुएशन नहीं किया है और आप फिर भी इस फील्ड को परस्यू करना चाहते हैं तो यू कैन कॉल और व्हाट्सएप आवर करियर एक्सपर्ट्स or drop a comment with your query below and we will get back to you. Internship in this field are very valuable because lingerie designing and making is a practical field. So make sure आपने एक lingerie expert के अंडर काम किया हो. जानते हैं lingerie designing field में job opportunities क्या-क्या हैं. Fashion या lingerie market क्योंकि अपने nascent stages में है, some cities offer more opportunities than others do. Generally, lifestyle business wali cities like Delhi and Mumbai are a great place to start, where you can find big designer boutiques or even badi lingerie production companies have their office in these cities. Or like I said, lingerie market अपने developing stages में है, तो India के lingerie designer salaries are around the same as fashion designer salaries, which is 10 to 12 lakh annually. But the market is evolving. The consumer today is informed and body positive, and the stigma surrounding the discussion of lingerie is slowly diminishing. और कई recent statistics के हिसाब से Indian women today have a higher purchasing power. These factors are gradually contributing to the increasing innovation in this field, which eventually contributes to high-paying positions. However, the salary for specialized design fields like this one is very high abroad. So you can also plan a career somewhere abroad, build a network, and work in fashion capitals like New York, LA, Milan, etc. Some of the highest paid lingerie designers live in these cities. Thank you guys for listening to us. Signum Design Careers का aim है हर बच्चे को in their best mental and physical health उसका right career मिले. If you have a related or unrelated query, you can WhatsApp us on the number on the screen or write to us at our email ID or simply comment down below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.